Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're diving into a challenging but amazing project, making your own carbon fiber bow limbs. This process requires precision and patience, but the result is a high-performance limb you made yourself. Let's walk through the basic steps. First, you need to create the limb core. This is the foundation of your limb. You can use materials like maple, bamboo, or even a specialized foam. You will shape this core on a form, which is a mold that gives the limb its final curve or reflex. The core must be tapered, meaning it's thicker at the base and gets progressively thinner towards the tip. This taper is critical for how the limb bends and stores energy. Next, we prepare the carbon fiber. We use unidirectional carbon fiber. This means all the fibers run in one direction, along the length of the limb. This gives the limb its strength and stiffness. You'll cut pieces of carbon fiber fabric to match the shape of your limb core, leaving a little extra around the edges. The number of layers you use will help determine the final draw weight of your bow. Now it's time for the layup. This is where you assemble everything using a strong, two-part epoxy resin. Think of it like making a sandwich. You'll apply a layer of epoxy, then a layer of carbon, then the core, then another layer of carbon. It is vital to fully wet out the carbon fiber with epoxy, ensuring there are no dry spots. This creates a solid, unified piece. After the layup, the limb needs to be pressed and cured. You place the entire assembly into your limb press or a vacuum bag. This applies even pressure across the entire surface. The pressure squeezes out any excess epoxy and eliminates air bubbles, creating a strong bond. Then, you let it cure. This process allows the epoxy to harden completely. You must follow the epoxy manufacturer's instructions for curing time and temperature. Finally, we have the finishing work. Once the limb is fully cured, you can remove it from the press. It will be a rough blank. You'll need to carefully trim the excess carbon fiber from the edges using a grinder or a specialized saw. Then, you'll sand the edges smooth and shape the limb tips to hold the bowstring. The last step is to apply a clear coat finish. This not only makes the limb look great but also protects the carbon fiber from UV damage. It's a detailed process, but seeing the finished product is incredibly rewarding. Thank you so much for watching and following along. This was a complex build, and I appreciate you sticking with it. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more in-depth projects like this, please consider supporting the channel. You can do that by liking this video, subscribing, or checking out our other links in the description. Your support makes these projects possible. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.